video quickly puts you through on how to block an email address on Outlook. The first step is to launch your web browser, and here we'll be using Microsoft Edge. As your browser opens, visit outlook.com and sign in. You can see the website here, outlook.com. Once you sign in successfully, you will be on your inbox, alright? That is the first place you are taken to. Let's say this is the email address you want to block, the one coming from Dreamina, alright? So what you need to do is to click on that email. If you can't find it on the first page, just click here and search the email address. It will show up. So you will see one of the emails is sent to you. So here, let me click on this. I'll click on it. The next step is to click on these three dots. Then on clicking on these three dots, you will see some options. One of them is block. Click on that block, okay? Then you will see block that email address. So you can see block and the name of the email address. So I will click on that option. Then it will tell me block Dreamina. This message will be deleted and all future messages from this will not come to your mailbox. Just click on OK. What of tomorrow you want to unblock it? It's simple. What you need to do is once you are on your inbox here, the next step is to click on these settings. On clicking on settings, you will see some options. And one of them here on the list is email. Just click on it. Then on clicking on that, you will see some sub options here. Click on junk email. On clicking on junk email, scroll and you will see this section where you have blocked senders and domains. Click on that. You will see that particular email address you blocked. And if you want to unblock it, just click on this delete icon and then click on save. So with this, anytime that same email address sends email to you, it will get into your inbox, okay? If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.